Hi, welcome. My name is Jennifer and I'm going to show you how to install TutorTalk on your computer. So, first open a new window and go to the website from the library, slu.se library. Click on Use the library, Reading and Writing Difficulties. Scroll down. Click on Computer Programs and Apps for Reading and Writing Assistance. Scroll down. And here it is, SLU Software Share. You will have to log in with your SLU account because SLU is paying for those programs. Here you are in the program distribution for the students. All the programs are ordered alphabetically. You can see that you can download Spellwright also. And here it is, TutorTalk. Click on the file. Choose Mac or Windows. And there is a text file. Open the text file and click on that link. You can actually not click, you have to copy and paste it. You can click on CTRL-C or right click and copy. And that will launch the download directly. You can save the file and it will start downloading. You will need the license number to activate the program. The license number is in the text file here. If you go down there, copy all of it the same way. During the download, you can also check that link here, TutorTalk Voices. You can select English here up on the right. And you can scroll down and click here. You will find TTS Voices for TutorTalk Windows. If you click on there, you will find a lot of different languages. I will recommend you to test different English voices, even the ones that are a bit less common, because some of them are easier for you to focus and will sound better sometimes if you listen faster or slower. When the download is completed, you can click on the file. It will open the installation dialog. You can scroll down the text and click on Install. When the program is installed, an icon will show up on the desktop, or you can find it on your window menu. The first thing the program will ask you is the license number. So you can paste in the license that we copied before. If you have questions, do not hesitate to contact us. You can find us on slu.se library, contact us. We have a chat system and an email, library@slu.se, and you can also call us 018-671103. I hope this video was helpful and see you soon. Hej då!